Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can use Google Drive optimally. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Drive application on your phone, and if you want to use it, you can click on this plus button. So by clicking on this plus button, you will be able to create new folder, or you can also upload new file. So I'm going to give you example. Alright, and you can create new folder by clicking on this folder option, and if you want to upload new file, you can click on this upload button, and you can also create Google Docs and also Google Sheets right here. You can also create Google Slide, and for example, I'm going to create folder on this Google Drive and name the folder as you want. For example, I'm going to name my folder like this, and after we are done, we can click on create. Alright, and this is the folder that we have just created, and if we want to upload a file to this folder, we can simply click on the folder. Then we can click on this folder button. We can click on this plus button to upload new file. And if we want to share this folder to our friends, we can click on this three dots button and then click on manage access right here. And if you want to let your friends access this folder, you have to change the access. So just tap on this button, then click on anyone with the link like this, and you can choose either you want to make other user as commenter, viewer, or editor. It's up to you, and for me, I'm just going to choose select viewer. So another user will be able to view this Google Drive folder without editing or commenting on this Google Drive. Okay, and I'm going to show you the storage of the Google Drive. So this is the storage, guys. So the maximum storage is 15 gigabyte. So we can use this Google Drive until 15 gigabyte. Alright guys, and that's how we can use Google Drive optimally. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.